So now we're back into the changing room. And you try on the second article of clothing. And all of a sudden it feels a little snug. Kind of like what I'm wearing right now. Somebody got comfy when he moved to Florida 2 months ago. I'll blame it on them. So you try on that second article of clothing, and it feels kind of snug. You're like, oh, I didn't see that bump there before. And then how long does it take you to choose that you're not buying it? Here come the opinions. Yeah. No, my opinion is right. But but either way, for you to make a real decision in reality, you had to do what? Try it on. That's all I'm asking you to do today. Just try on some of the things I talk about. I'm not here to preach. I'm not here to tell you my opinions are right. I'm not here to tell you this is the truth. I'm not here to tell you that what we're going to talk about works. What's going to happen is I'm going to say words. You're going to process the words, give them some meaning, and do what you want with them. But you have to try it on to make a real life decision. And we spend a lot of times making decisions based on what our mind says as opposed to reality. Who here likes pizza? Raise your hand. Obviously. Who here likes pineapple? Raise your hand. Who here likes pineapple, likes pizza, has never tried pineapple pizza, but you know you don't like it? How does that make sense? Now your mind's going to try to justify it. Oh, but you know, how many of you like coffee? How many of you like honey? How many of you have never tried honey in your coffee, but you know you won't like it? For those people, how does that make sense? So you have coffee and honey. You have pizza with pineapple on it. You have a bottle of water and some mints and some gum. Worst case scenario, you bite into the pineapple pizza, it's disgusting, you spit it out like the kids do, and then you put the gum and the water in your mouth. How horrible was that experience? 5 seconds, 6 seconds. Best case scenario, you found something you discovered that you're going to enjoy for the rest of your life. How many